This model has one hatch. We open the hatch, turn on the fireplace with the power button, and we see
It's clear and bright.
inscription. We heard a sound that the fireplace was blocked. The interface on the display is also very similar to the interface of the Wi-Fi application. That is, the fireplace is blocked. Here he is. The lock on the left is here. We press.
For both Mike and Zamart, commuting involves certain routines.
The cabin unlocked, said that Buck led the same. On the Wi-Fi app, they saw that the stone was unlocked. Here's the status bar showing 0% tank. It's currently refueling. The starting level to which the fireplace will reach. Similarly, we possess an application concerning touch display configurations. Press the settings button here. We can choose from one line. Language. Is it possible to select the French option? Checking.
Old and used blocks.
Cheminée déverrouillée. Réservoir de carburant vide.
English in general. 3 languages are available for us to choose. Additionally, we have the capability to set a PIN code by using the touch display. We are capable of leading approximately 4. Various units input the PIN code, and let's start with the opportunity. If required, we can modify the standards, for instance, to accommodate 4 units. Save, or when the timeout mode is released. In order to enable it, you will need to maintain a PIN code. Moreover, the settings provide the ability to activate ambient background sounds such as the sea, fire, and forest. How's the look of the sea? The sound of a fire. The sound of the forest. Additionally, we have the option to disable voice messages here. If you don't want the fireplace to have any sound, simply turn off the voice messages and your fireplace will be completely silent. We also provide settings for Wi-Fi connectivity here. And we dump them from this menu. Let's get started. Refueling. To fill the fireplace, we take a special hose for filling, insert it into the piece. We insert the refill confidently until it clicks. This is merely a timeout period. Display hours. Enter the PIN code carefully. The PIN code works. Make sure to leave the hose in the canister with the lid on. There is a refill button here, marked with a drop icon. Simply press it to proceed. Got a message. What? It will be refueling, and refueling starts in 2 seconds. Advancing on the screen. In court, we observe the amount of bot we've added. Here we see that we already have 45% of the refueling dog fuel arriving. Here they refueled to 100%. The fireplace said that the tank is full and refueling is complete, but we still have fuel left in the hoses, so that when we pull out the hose, it doesn't spill here. We carefully remove the hose from the canister, so we lift it up and press the fuel button again.
We have a V.
In automatic mode, the fireplace operates for 3 seconds. Removes all the fuel and the hose. Next, we can remove the hose, press the button, and take it out carefully. The whole fireplace filling is complete. Next, we can turn on the fireplace. We can do this both from the Start button application and also become the Start button on the display.
Old year.
The fireplace began to work. Seconds after. 50, we will have a candle burning message. Well, our candle caught fire, this arson candle. The fireplace continues to roar. In just 56 minutes, one will appear. The gentle glow around the candle, according to the testimony. Typically, the fireplace flames extend to all areas of the saploham in bursts. Everything is ruined by sap, but the fireplace is not considered to have entered working mode until we receive an audio message that the fireplace is working. Received an audio message that the fireplace was working. He told me what level he was at, working level 3. Observe the fireplace burning here, after which we can proceed. Steps to becoming a display piece. You also have the ability to adjust the flame levels using your phone. Here we have levels plus or minus. This is a change. Level, for example.
Plus.
Got a message about what level the fireplace goes to. Here we can also observe the level it goes to, how it works, and the remaining fuel. And in the mode, what is happening now? Here's fireplace in action. This is how they work. Once the fireplace has completed its operation, we turn it off. Activate the display and press the stop button.
Lace.
Got a message that the fireplace was turning off. We're waiting. Now the fuel will be pumped out of the evaporator. Afterwards, we need to wait for a period until they cool down. Elements until he again reaches the state of a worker from which he can start. The fire has extinguished and the embers are no longer burning. But at the same time, we see the inscription, what? The fireplace is cooling. You can't shout it yet, you can't pump out fuel yet. When trying to unlock, we'll get where the fireplace is cooling down. After the fireplace has cooled down, we will receive the message ready to work on the display. You can pump out the fuel. Let's unlock the fireplace. We'll take it.
Hose.
Insert the fuel fillers. Press the pump button and hold it for 4 seconds. Got the messages.
Another couple of seconds pass about pumping fuel. In order for us to make sure that we did not forget to substitute the canister, and then the father turns on the pumping, evidenced by the flashing idiot on the rollback button. When the fuel is completely pumped out, we will see on the display there will be 0, and the fireplace we ourselves stop the pumping process by pressing the button.
Fill on pen start.
If the fuel level drops below the minimum, the fireplace will either stop pumping automatically, or when the fuel level sensor is triggered, it will cease operation.